here she is. She is a 69 Oldsmobile 442. This car's been down the street from me virtually my whole life, and it's been in restoration for over 30 years is what I'm aware of. Obviously, it's already been painted. Trim work's already done to the outside. Wheels, tires, suspension, motors in it, transmissions in it, fuel systems in it. Brakes are done. Cooling systems in. As we can see from the interior, got reflections, but we have a lot of parts in the interior that we have to pull out, organize, get where they need to be. And then we also have an absolute trunk load of parts as well. So all of this, and hopefully we'll be able to get it out of here shortly, as this is a pretty much completed build, but we'll see how this goes. All right, so we have basically all new interior in here. Obviously, I got to get everything out of it. We got a dual gate shifter that's going to go in, and going to basically rebuild the dash and everything that goes up there, glove boxes and everything else, heater controls, all of that. We do have some parts back here, obviously, but as a whole, this car is absolutely amazing. So look at it's been sitting for a decade, and just the shine that's still on it with all the dust on it is amazing. So as we can see, the trunk needs a very good cleaning, vacuuming out. We're going to end up having to put cut some of this out. We're going to put speakers in the back of this for them. We're going to end up pulling this old headliner out. Obviously these seats are new, but they're not bolted in at all. So none of it's bolted in, the panels aren't clicked in, everything's loose. So we'll end up taking all of this out, so that way I can work on it, finish up, or possibly restart, not 100% sure, but get all the wiring corrected and fixed in here. This is going to be one of those deals where it is an original wiring harness, so I got to figure that out. But as a whole, this car is looking absolutely beautiful. So we'll get going. We're going to change out the tach. He's got a TikTok RPM tach for it, so it'll have a little clock in it. But we'll get this all up and running and going for him. We're going to end up putting a dual gate shifter in the middle. He has that, and got to modify it a little bit to make it fit and everything we need there, but